Just shout!
Just shout. I like it.
Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Hey, thank you for joining me for another episode of Just Sean. In today's episode, we're going to discuss what is Wealthy Affiliate, how does Wealthy Affiliate work, and my Wealthy Affiliate Review 2020. Coming up next. First off, before I begin, I want to be completely honest with you. I am a member of Wealthy Affiliate, and you can see here I joined in March of 2008, right here where I'm clicking. And you can see down here my accomplishments. I have a 2-year badge. So I've been here for 2 years. I used to use regular hosting websites like GoDaddy and build my websites out from there. And I never really had my websites never really looked good. I didn't really understand the concept. I needed an education. So a couple years ago, I started looking around for the education I needed about, because I want to be a blogger. I wanted to be a blogger at my own pace. So I found a lot of different courses out there, and they were just kind of like, these are horrible. And then I found Wealthy Affiliate. What Wealthy Affiliate did for me was it gave me some great knowledge of how to build a website, how to create blog posts correctly, and provided me with a community of like-minded people to help me reach my goals. So real quick, let's just take a look at the training you get. All right, so here's the online training for this is your basic, they call it the online entrepreneur training. And there is 5 levels in here. There's courses inside these courses. And they just kind of help you get started building your website, understanding how to make money with a website, through affiliate links. And, a lot of people will tell you that Wealthy Affiliate only focuses on review sites. That's not true. Their big focus is on you building a niche-specific site, so you can get more traffic instead of being so broad. And that's what they train you to do, is be a better blogger about your niche. It's just, knowledge. And they got the Affiliate Bootcamp. This goes directly. Now, Wealthy Affiliate has their own affiliate program. So say you don't have an idea of a niche or a basic program to start to make money, like a basic affiliate program to start making money. They have one built in for you, and they give you all the courses in here. I didn't go through all of them. I already understood basically all of this stuff when I got here, so I didn't really need it. But for those that are completely new and just don't know, these are great courses to get you to understand how to use their program to make money, which is sell Wealthy Affiliate. All right, and there's nothing. It's a great program to try to sell. I mean, like I said, I've been there for 2 years. I'm a premium member. You can see that's me, my picture. I'm not trying to bullshit you. You won't see a lot of Wealthy Affiliate reviews or how does Wealthy Affiliate work on my YouTube channel or in my websites. However, since I've been here for 2 years, I really felt maybe I should share. I really enjoy being here at Wealthy Affiliate. So there's all kinds of training. Let's go back to the training real quick. If you go to classrooms, you'll see you can ask a question, and there's all these different types of answers for it. You can ask a question. Then you can see all the different classrooms that come up for SEO. Now, you can see, it just keeps going on. There's so much knowledge here. It's actually quite ridiculous. You could get sucked into so much of this knowledge, and there's a lot of great knowledge here. Now, every Friday there's a live event. This is put on by a guy named Jay Neal. He's from Manitoba, Canada. He's basically the main trainer or the head trainer for Wealthy Affiliate. And every Friday he puts out great content. The last Friday's content was, we'll click on this, because all the content after it's uploaded is there for you to review anytime you want. Like this next one is the 13th, which is tomorrow, right? No, Friday. Today's the 11th. Why did I think it was Thursday? Anyways, so we'll click on the last one here, and these are webinars. You know, click here to watch. And you can see here this content, writing awesome content that ranks. This video is an hour and 28 minutes, 27 seconds. What's great about these, if you get on the live session, at the end of his webinars every Friday, Jay will have a 30-minute question and answer period so you can have a better understanding of the class you just took. And writing awesome content that ranks, this one I watched this last week. It was a great video. It gave me some great ideas and, you know, stuff I already knew, and then it showed me stuff I didn't know and showed me how to implement things. It was really great. It's really cool shit. So that's the one part of Wealthy Affiliate, is the training. That's the tip of the iceberg kind of thing. Well, the next thing they do is they have websites that you can build. All right, and they have the site manager, the site builder, the site domain, site content. Do what you want. You can get comments to your post, get comments on your pages and post. You know, you get feedback on your websites, and this is all for people with inside Wealthy Affiliate, and they'll let you know, hey, maybe try this or this or this, and it'll help you just get better at building websites and making them look good and flow well. And then you got site support. That's inside the website builder. Now, they also have the Jaxi tool. The Jaxi tool is a keyword research tool. So basically, let me click on the alphabet soup here. You know, this is just a easier way to do it than going to Google sometimes, you know. And Google's probably the best way to do alphabet soup, but it takes a good bit of time. However, this is really a great tool that comes with your Wealthy Affiliate package. So let me put in here like this, 2019 best of camera. So maybe you have a website about cameras, or you're into cameras. So like best shoot point and shoot cameras 2019. You know, that might be a good one. So I'll hit search on this. And right here, best point and shoot cameras 2019. It had an average monthly. This is monthly. All right. Search of 3,487. This keyword, if I was able to get to page 1, I would get an average of 593 views on my page a month. Okay, so right here we have best point and shoot cameras of 2019. It's going to tell me I'm going to get 3,487 average searches for that a month for that term. And if I get to page 1 of Google, it says I should get an average of 593 views on my site. So I should get 593 views to my site every month is what they're saying. All right, so a QSR, this QSR is super low, which is really good. What that means is I'm literally only competing against 27 other sites with that search term. And you go up here and it'll tell you this. Quoted search results, the number of competing websites ranked in Google for this exact keyword. I only have to compete against 27 sites. That's pretty amazing. That's actually a really great QSR. The KQI is Keyword Quality Indicator. Green is great. We have that. And we have an SEO number here, score based on traffic and competition. The higher the score, the more likely you'll rank for this keyword. 87 is super high because it goes up, it's 1 out of 100. So this is a really great keyword, and I was able to find this in the Jaxi tool because I'm a member of Wealthy Affiliate. You see what I'm saying? And now I can go ahead and create a post about the best point and shoot cameras of 2000 and what? That's right, 2020. Only thing I got to change there is the date, 2019 to 2020, and I'll get the same results. And that's how. Another thing about Wealthy Affiliate that's pretty cool is their research tool. Now, if you're looking for affiliate programs and you're completely unaware of how to do this, Wealthy Affiliate provides you with a affiliate program research tool. like an all-in-one stop from some of the most prominent affiliate programs on the internet today. And you can see down here they have all different types of them. And you would just go through here and, follow through with joining. So you want to view the programs of this, you would click on the view the programs and then, join this program. Go to join this program. It's going to take me to ClickBank and blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to do all that right now. But it's that simple. Everything's built inside Wealthy Affiliate to teach you how to be an affiliate marketer by using small niche websites. You've heard it before. It works like gangbusters, but you have to have the knowledge to do it. And that's basically all Wealthy Affiliate is. It provides you with the knowledge to get started and advanced knowledge, and they continue training you. They don't stop training you. They have a spot where you can build websites. They give you 2 for free. If you want to register a custom domain, you can do that all right inside Wealthy Affiliate, just like you could at GoDaddy. They have their own hosting services. What else can I say? And of course, you can sell Wealthy Affiliate if you don't have anything else to sell out there. It's an affiliate program. They have their own affiliate program. So yeah, do I like Wealthy Affiliate? Fuck yeah, I like Wealthy Affiliate. Why would I keep paying my $35 a year? I think I pay annually for it. I don't care about the fee. It's a great program. I continually get knowledge, and sometimes I get a loss of something that I don't have an idea for a blog post, or I don't have an idea for a video. I just come into Wealthy Affiliate, watch some training, and be like, oh, that's a great idea. Let me go make a video about that. It provides me with all kinds of shit. I fucking love Wealthy Affiliate. So you can either join it or not. I don't care. You obviously watch this video for a reason, but if it was up to me, go ahead and give it a try. Try the 7-day free program. Join for free. It's free. I left a link below in the description box. And when you get there, I'll be your mentor. That's right. Me and you will work together. I'll teach you everything I know. Thanks for watching another episode of Just Sean. Out!